If you want to change email where you receive all your eXp emails, this is how you will change it. You're going to look for eXp Enterprise tile. Okay, click on it, and then we are going to click on My Business. Okay, and then Agent Profile. Right here, we are going to click on Email. So here you will see your current email where all your eXp emails are coming. This is your eXp email address. So whenever somebody sends email to this address, it goes to this email address. Okay. So in order to change this, you will click on change forward email, enter your new email here, confirm your new email, then click update. Okay, and then make sure you click on save.